like your shoes. Huh?
Yeah, they love the strings on my shoes. So you're getting pretty good with the learning how the house training is going and everything?
They're still pooping. I mean, they're pups, you know.
Yeah.
We got the
They
fire.
poop sometimes, like when they're in here, they poop like 5, 4, 6 times in a row. Like,
But it's nice linoleum floor, so it's easy to clean up.
Yeah,
so we're not worried about it. We're not worried.
yeah, but they pee in the towel. That's why we leave towel in
He's
there.
peeing right there. He's just peeing on the towel. So.
Well, it's better than peeing on the floor, and it's easy to clean up. It doesn't stay in the stone.
Last night these two sleep with us.
All night long, dude.
What did you get there? You got a bowl? Gilligan.
If you want to go to sleep, so until the boys come down here so they can play with you. Do the laundry.
Man, you guys beating up on your brother or sister.
They're beating up the fat one.
Hey! Hey!
He got movies too fat.
Hey, boy.
Come here, Buddha. Come on, Mama hold you.